Hello there, I'm Daniel, the founder of Galactic Games, and today I will show you how to make a simple checkpoint system in Unreal Engine 5 and 4. This checkpoint saves the player's position, and even after closing the game, the position stays saved. In the next video, we will create a respawn system, so you can use this checkpoint anytime, not only after restarting the game. Let's get started! Create a new actor blueprint and name it, for example, BP checkpoint. Then open it. This actor blueprint will represent our checkpoint. All logic will be placed here. Add box trigger and create onComponent begin overlap event. Now, when the player enters the box, this event will fire. Connect cast2player character node to other actor. If you don't remember your player's class name, just search for it. Add a getActorTransform node. This gives us the player's position, rotation and scale. Now we need to save this position somewhere, so it can be loaded even after restarting the game. To do that, we'll use a save game blueprint. I already have one from previous video, save and load system, but if you don't, you can easily create your own. Inside the save game blueprint, create a variable named player position. Set its type to transform. The transform contains location, rotation and scale. We mostly need location and rotation, but we'll use the full transform for flexibility. Go back to BP checkpoint and add a create save game object node. Select your save game blueprint class and connect it to save game to slot node. Between these two nodes, set the player position variable. Connect getActorTransform to player position. This makes sure we store the player's current position, rotation and scale. Name your save slot, for example, checkpoint slot, so you can know where it's saved. Before testing, add a small platform under the box, so you can see where the checkpoint is. The trigger box itself is invisible in the game. When testing, you will notice that the checkpoint saves the position, but doesn't yet load it after restarting the game. To check if the position was actually saved, add a print string node to display it. Print string isn't required for functionality, but it's useful for debugging. Now let's create the load logic. Open your player blueprint. And on event begin play, add a load game from slot node. This node loads saved variables from our save slot. Connect it to a cast2 save game blueprint, since our variables is stored there. Get the player position variable, split the transform, and connect it to teleport node. Set the target to self. When testing, you'll see the player now teleports to the last saved position correctly. And that's basically the whole checkpoint logic. If you want to center the player perfectly on the platform, you can adjust the box size. Or even better, save the location for the box or the entire blueprint instead of the player. This way the teleport will always be correct according to the location of the checkpoint. Be careful what you save, otherwise the player might spawn under the map or inside the geometry. And how it all works. When the player touches the box, the overlap event triggers. If it's the player, the game creates a save game object and a save slot, where it stores the checkpoint's location. Then it prints the saved position. When loading, the load game from slot node retrieves the position and teleports the player back to that location. Everything works correctly, and of course, you can have multiple checkpoints in your level. And that's it. Thank you for watching the video, don't forget to like and subscribe, and thank you all for supporting Galactic Games.